Hello, students. Today we are going to be learning about the who, what, when, where, and why of a story. The story is titled The Name Jar. So we've all should have read our books at this point. And can someone tell me the title of this book, please? Thank you. And can someone tell me who is the author? Thank you. And we always know who the author is because you'll see their name right at the bottom if you look here at the screen. Today we are going to be working on an assignment that you should be following along with. You have your packets out and ready. Can everyone show me your packets, please? Excellent job, thank you. So today we will be doing a graphic organizer. A graphic organizer is a sheet that helps us to organize our thoughts, such as the who, what, when, where, and why. Today I'll be defining those terms for you, helping you start the sentence, doing an example sentence, and then you'll be answering the questions that we create. Just as a review, this is what our worksheet looks like. It is reviewing the story elements. We will be beginning with the who today. So the who is asking what or which person or people are in the story. So the question we ask to discover our answer: who are the characters in the story? So to begin our sentence, the characters in the story are. So I wrote ... but that is how all of you are going to be writing your sentence. So take out that worksheet and write the characters in the story are. And then if you look down at this PowerPoint, the bottom left-hand corner, I wrote the characters in the story are Eunhae, her classmates, the teacher, and her parents. I'll give everyone some time to fill in their boxes. In our second box, everyone show me their second box. Excellent job. We're going to be answering the what. The what is regarding asking for information about something. The question we ask to discover our answer is, what decision does Eunhae need to make? So we'll be beginning our sentence with the decision Eunhae needs to make. Everyone, I want you to notice how we're using complete sentences. My example sentence is, the decision Eunhae needs to make is to decide what name she will call herself to her American classmates. I'll give everyone some time to fill in their boxes. The next box we're going to be working on is our third one, and it's answering the when. And when we answer about when, it's about asking about time. The question we ask to discover our answer is, when will Eunhae make her final decision? So we begin our sentence with, Eunhae will make, and my example sentence says, Eunhae will make her final decision by the end of the week. Since we've all read the story, we already know the answers to these questions. I'll give you some time to fill out these boxes. You guys are doing an amazing job. And our fourth box that we'll be filling out today is our where. Our where will answer, asking about what place or position. The question we ask to discover our answer is, where does the story take place? We begin our sentence with, the story takes place, and my example sentence is, the story takes place in Eunhae's classroom. I think the author did an amazing job with all of their illustrations to really make the story come to life. Don't you agree? And our final box, it is the why. It's asking for reason or what for. The question we ask to discover our answer is, why does Eunhae decide to keep her Korean-born name? We begin our sentence with, Eunhae decides to keep her Korean name because ... Before I show my example sentence, I want everyone to write in their own answer, and then I'll reveal my sentence to you. My example sentence is, Eunhae decides to keep her Korean name because she loves her name and the meaning behind it. Wasn't that an amazing way to end the story and learn about the story elements of the name jar? I just want to let everybody know that they did an amazing job for doing their best work. See you guys later.